Today we're looking at a 2013 Hyundai Elantra GLS. It's got 86,000 miles on it. It's got a clean Carfax, just 3 previous owners. Alright, it's midnight black in color. We'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle with you. We'll start here on the driver's side. Everything looks really good through here. Alright, rear of the vehicle's in good shape. Make our way down the passenger side here. Everything looks really good on the exterior of this Hyundai. And the only thing I noticed here is this on the hood. You just got a couple of scratches throughout here. Alright, it's been painted over. You can hardly see it. I just want to point that out to you, okay? It is a 13 with 86,000 miles, so some of that's to be expected. Got the gray and black door panels, power locks, power windows, power mirrors. Okay, does have gray cloth seating. Driver's seat's in good shape. It does have the keyless entry key fob. Passenger seat looks good. Alright, it is an automatic. Alright, it's got your power supply outlet there, auxiliary, and iPod USB ports. Okay. Got your climate control area here. AM FM CD player here. Alright. Does have your active eco button over here. Okay. And then you got cruise control right here on the steering wheel. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look at the mileage. It's got 86,810 miles. Now that we've got it started, I'll go ahead and show you the AM FM display over here. Alright. And then the climate control. AC's blowing cold, no problems there. And then since the lights are on, let's go ahead and show you that iPod auxiliary and USB port. Okay. Let's go ahead and take a look in the back seat. Carpet back here is in good shape. Back seat cloth looks good. No issues back here at all. Okay, it does have the center console that comes down. Okay, got your cup holders there. Go ahead and give you a driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. Let's take a look in the trunk. Oh, I thought I hit the button. Yeah, I didn't. Let's see here. There we go. Alright. Alright, carpet back here looks good. There's a ton of space back here. Alright. Check out the wheels and tires. Got 16-inch steel wheels. The plastic hubcaps on there. Tires are in awesome shape. It's a brand new set of tires there. Alright, once again, it's a 2013, okay? 86,000 miles on it. It's got a clean Carfax, just 3 previous owners. Midnight black in color. It's in great shape. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.